Well, hello! Welcome to my lair. I feel a little bit like Dexter about to murder someone, but I am not, thankfully. My victim, quote unquote, is this and other stories sweater that I found on eBay, secondhand but new with tags. When I bought it, I was hoping to find a sweater that would be mustard, and this is a little tip if you are shopping online, to ask the vendor to take a photo in natural light, because clearly this is not mustard, even though that's what it looked like in the photo. It's not even a color that I can work with. So I thought, because I love the silhouette, I love the fabric, I love everything about it other than the color, I thought maybe I'll try dyeing it. Dyeing murder, haha. Anyway, so in preparation, I found some RIT dye, and I'm following all the instructions which they've handily put online. We have prepared my parents' laundry room so that hopefully nothing bad happens and so that dye does not get everywhere. And I thought I would take you with me. So I'm gonna dye this today, and then the second half of the video I'll just share, I mean, provided it works out. Maybe this will be a total failure and I won't have any looks to show you, in which case I hope this was at least entertaining for you. But I'm hoping to show you some looks with my new to me sweater once we're done with it. Let's get going. Before dyeing, it was recommended that I wash the garment in a delicate rinse before proceeding with the dyeing. So I did that. I'm using RIT dye, which is supposed to be non-toxic and good for household use, and I had to soak the garment as well before putting it in the dye bath. RIT also suggested using vinegar and dish soap to intensify the dye. Like a martini shaker. What do I do with this? Okay, here we go. I'm putting this in. Bye, sweater. Oh my god, it's like already black. In case you needed it, proof that I will never be a pro DIY YouTuber. Anyway, the first 10 minutes of the dye bath is really important to continue stirring. It's kind of like a risotto. I actually left it in there and stirred for a solid 25 to 30 minutes because I really wanted the dye to soak in. Once I was done stirring, I had to wash my sweater again in a gentle detergent, and after that I had to rinse it with cold water and wait until all of the water that was coming out of the rinsing process was no longer black. This took forever. Finally, it's time to just let that thing hang dry and hope for the best. At this point, it was looking pretty good. A uniform color, not as black as I wanted it to, but I'll let you be the judge. So here it is. I'm actually really happy with the result. It's definitely not as deep and rich a black as I wanted, and this is really evident when I pair it with other black pieces, so I might actually give it a second dye bath since I only used the first half of the bottle. In certain lights, it kind of looks like a little bit of an early 2000s Frosted Tips moment, but I don't mind. I think it adds to the texture. In some lights, it comes across almost as a brown, and in others, even a deep purple, kind of like a coffee-ish color, I think. So it's going to take a little bit of time, I think, for me to figure out how to style it and how to wear it, but I've come up with a couple of looks that I'm really happy with. that is what I have for you today. I hope you liked this video. I just realized this is the first for 2021, so I hope you're having a wonderful start to your new year. Let me know what you thought of this video and of the looks that I shared with you today. And of course, if you dye your own textiles at home or have tried this, I would love to hear your tips. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you in the next slow fashion video. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!